Many of you must be confused regarding when to study, whether to study during early hours or at night, and the benefit of studying at the right time of the day. Hello everyone, welcome to Study Chain. I am a third year Mbbs student studying at Government Medical College. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my tips to help you find your best time to study and when you are the most productive. Like the video if you are new to my channel, and to never miss informative tips like this, do subscribe and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. As we all know, we all are built different. Some students may find easy to wake up early and start studying, while some of you might find it easier to study at night. So first, let's learn the benefit of studying early in the morning and then at night. After sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, our brain gets complete rest and starts afresh. So it's important to have a complete sleep for you to be in your most productive state. As you have just woke up, your mind is clear, you have no stress, you have plenty of time to complete your task, you are full of energy, you find it rewarding to start your day ahead of time before anybody else does. So it's easy for you to start studying. And as you have already completed most of your tasks, you feel happy and motivated to continue further. I wake up at 5 or 6 a.m. and start studying. I am most productive during this time of the day. I am able to concentrate easily and finish my chapters in half the time required compared to the other time of the day, as the surroundings are quiet. And I feel accomplished and happy as I have finished most of my tasks. So I continue to study throughout the day. It takes a lot of effort and time to make this video. So it would mean a lot if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from me. And now for those who love to study at night, it might happen that you end up sleeping late. Therefore, adjust your sleep hours so that you are able to complete 7 hours of sleep. As you have completed half of your day, and now you know that you have to complete a set of chapters before going to bed. This forms your motivation and it's easy for you to start with your studies. As you proceed with night, it gets quiet and your concentration and willpower to study increases. And you are able to go through your chapters at a faster rate. After lunch, I get sleepy and take 1 hour nap and start again to study. This helps me to replenish my energy, thus helping me to study efficiently at night. I extend my study sessions up to 1 a.m. or sometimes if I have an exam, then up to 2 a.m. Thus, I get at least 6 hours of sleep daily, which is perfect for me. I have found this method to work for me since last 10 years of my academics. I study in sessions of 3 hours with breaks in between. At early morning for 3 hours, after which I have my breakfast and study for 3 hours. And then have my lunch, take an hour nap and study for another 3 hours. At this point, I crave for evening snack or a cup of tea, after which I continue to study for another 3 hours. After which it's dinner time, and then I study for another 3 hours and conclude my day. This helps me to study for 15 hours a day in total. Sometimes it might be less. And during my ongoing college days, I study at least for 6 hours. Studying daily helps me to be on track and in no time you will find your syllabus covered. So, it's important that you study daily, even if it might be for 4 to 6 hours, but consistency is the key to success. It's scientifically proven that it doesn't matter if you study during the daytime or nighttime. What matters is to study during your productive hours. If you find it easy to wake up early and start your day, then do so. Or if you find the motivation to study at night, then do it. But remember to have small breaks in between your study sessions and have enough sleep and plenty of nutrition. Along with your study, it's important to maintain your health to work at maximum efficiency. Don't waste your time in procrastination and worrying about your study. Instead, plan your studies according to your productive hours and start immediately. And utilize your time at its best. This will help you to reduce your workload, prevent you from having backlog, decrease your study pressure, and help you to top your exams. So these were my study tips for you to find your best time to study. Try these tips and start studying immediately. And do tell me in the comments below which of these tips are useful. If you find these tips helpful, please like the video and share it with your study mates. I will be uploading more study tips and vlogs on regular basis, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep studying with Study Jane.